Hola, Salunatics.
Today we are in Mall of Asia, just
Yes.
walking around, roaming around. As you guys know, we have come here before, but we always get lost, and today might be our lucky day not to get lost. What do you guys think?
Yes. What do we know about Mall of Asia? We know that Mall of Asia was constructed about 17 years ago.
Oh, look good.
Yes, and it has over 600 stores, and from those 600 stores, 200 and something, I think 212 are food related. So yes, now you know people come here to eat a lot.
Yung nasasabi nila na
Wow! What's happening?
Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
And we also know that this is the biggest mall in the Philippines.
I thought it was in all of Asia.
No, I think it used to be the biggest mall.
Biggest mall of Asia.
I think it used to be the biggest mall in the world at some point, but now it's the number 6 something.
Six. And which one
I
is the biggest
think
mall?
I don't know. But
Well,
you guys can correct us in the comments.
If we get lost in this mall, I don't wanna meet the biggest mall in the world. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm fine with this.
Anyway, there are 4 buildings, and I just remember the main mall and the entertainment mall. I don't know what the other 2 buildings are. We haven't discovered this. But
Of course, we haven't walked the whole thing. Even if we would come here like 3 times, and this is like difficult to actually navigate around.
yeah. Anyway, the buildings are connected, interlocked by this passageway. They all look the same. That's why people
Get lost.
Because you don't know where you're going, and like we enter a hall here, and then suddenly we are in the other side of the mall, and we don't know how that happened.
I don't know, but there's some sort of sorcery going on with this. Like, I don't even know how we got to the second part of the mall. So.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
But my favorite area so far is the entertainment mall, because there's a lot of things. There's even a merry-go-round
Yeah,
inside.
I saw that.
Like,
I
that's
saw that.
crazy.
Una calecita.
A mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I'm gonna go check the top floor because there are a lot of amenities that we haven't seen. I think it's on the 3rd floor.
Viva. Yeah, the third.
So there's the laser arena, and there's the ice skating ring. I mean, you know how huge this mall is. If you can fit ice skating, and it's huge.
This is huge.
According to the website, it can seat up to 200 people inside.
Ring has reached its maximum capacity. 2 horas 350. Day pass 550.
Companion pass 100 per person.
Ah, por si tú eres un niño, el niño que va a estar, pero tú eres la compañía que no me pagas.
Oh, nice.
And this is the laser arena. Okay, so for the laser arena,
220 weekdays and 250 weekdays. Hi, fine.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
There are like outdoors area in between the building. There's like an outdoor area that people can eat there too. There's a lot of restaurants.
That's
nearby.
where there are little food stands. There are food
Yes.
stands. Like there's coffee stands and potato
And ice
stuff
cream.
like ice cream, stuff like that. Small stores, stands.
And in the back of the mall, there's also the amusement park, SM by the Bay.
SM by the way, yeah. We
They
saw
have
it.
a huge Ferris wheel that is called the Eye of Asia.
We actually have been there. The
Yes.
first time we went to KTV close by SM of Asia, and we went to the Ferris wheel.
Yeah, the view is beautiful, very beautiful during the night. If you haven't seen our video, you can watch it. I'm gonna link them here.
Is there images about that?
Yes.
I don't remember.
What? You haven't watched our own video?
I
How
don't
dare
remember watching my video.
Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Okay, guys, we made a stop because hunger, and we made a friend along the way. Say hi to our vlog.
Hi, I'm Man. Nice to meet these pretty ladies.
Yes.
Randomly encounter him here at MOA, walking alone, super alone. And
Now I'm not alone now.
We have adopted him.
we adopted him, and we're gonna eat together in this Indian restaurant that is in the food court.
I'm gonna have my mango shake that I've been craving. And Luna, I think Luna bought chicken.
Tandoori chicken.
And you
Yeah,
bought
I'm going to have chicken curry butter.
chicken with butter?
Yeah, chicken curry.
Curry with butter. Chicken curry with butter. So we will update you when the food is here. Yeah. What is that sauce? And there's a lime. Real lime? Yes. Wow. They are rare. Or is it a green lemon?
Yeah, this
And I
Oh,
real life.
is nice. Here with my
What is
chicken
this?
butter. I
This
don't
is
know, it's
butter
chicken.
chicken.
Yeah, curry. Something.
Curry
something.
and butter. So you put this on your rice.
Yeah,
And my milkshake,
Milkshake. Ready with the milkshake.
my mango milkshake.
So catch me if I fall.
It's very tasty, very seasoned, very delicious. It's not spicy, but it has a kick.
Thank you so much to all our patrons, Belki, Emilio, Val Mike, JT, Val June, Pogi Pinoy, Fred Gabriel, and David Sanz. And a huge shout out to our verified and certified Soul Lunatics, especially Cherry Flor, Janice, Uwe Halia, Kenny Hugh, Brian Cabusora, Glenjen, Sherbon, AJ Primicias, Eggy, Tish21, Yokagi-san, Estel Berrillen, Gabe, Jan JT Teodoro, WV, Roalf, Un Cara Filipino, Tita Wen, Luna X Que Lo Que, Don Rotopuso, Emilio Taveras, Dina Duray, and Pinoy OFW Adventure.
Well, guys, we already finished eating. We ate a lot, and that was so delicious. I mean, I already said that. Anyways, guys, wait, come. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, guys. Now watch this video that appears right here. It's recommended by YouTube's algorithm, especially for you. So click on it right now.